Hi, welcome to Woodwork for Beginners. My name's Philip. I'll be your tutor. Come and join me. We're going to learn things like hand tools, safety in the classroom, how to make some basic joints. You'll make 2 or 3 projects. You'll have a great time. You'll get nice and dusty. It's a great course. Come and join me. See you soon. Check it, then put it back on.
Hi, my name's Amber. I am enrolled in the Beginners Woodwork course. I basically decided to do this course because I wanted to really try something different. There's a few projects I have at home that I'd like to start, and I'm really hoping that this course is going to help me improve my skills, learn some new, how to use some new tools. And so far I'm finding it to be really fun. The tutor is really engaging and hands-on and really helpful. And I've met a lot of new people and yeah, learnt some really great new skills. So I'd urge anyone to come along and give it a go.